Those boys are of far more value to you alive than dead.
They have no value to me missing.
Rob will have sent a force to retake Winterfell by now.
Retake. Retake.
Rob will have sent a force to retake Winterfell by now.
They'll be after us with hounds. We get a good start on them, but we can't outrun hounds forever.
Outrun. Outrun.
We can't outrun hounds forever.
We think it was an infiltrator from the Brotherhood without banners.
Pretentious name for a band of outlaws.
Pretentious. Pretentious.
Pretentious name for a band of outlaws. Pretentious name for a band of outlaws. We can't allow rebels behind our lines to harass us with impunity.
Impunity. Impunity.
Can't allow rebels behind our lines to harass us with impunity. We love mutton.
Yes, my lord.
Don't like mutton.
Mutton. Mutton.
Like mutton. Small for your age. I suppose you've been underfed your whole life.
Underfed. Underfed.
I suppose you've been underfed your whole life. Tallest towers, the strongest walls. The Great Hall had 35 hearths.
Hearth. Hearth.
The Great Hall had 35 hearths. 1 million men could have marched on these walls, and 1 million men would have been repelled.
Repel. Repel.
1 million men would have been repelled. It's a heroine of yours, I take it. Are most girls more interested in the pretty maidens from the songs?
Maiden. Maiden.
Are most girls more interested in the pretty maidens from the songs? Are most girls more interested in the pretty maidens from the songs? John Keel, flowers in her hair.
John Quill. John Quill.
Flowers in her hair.
Most.
Say I've ever met a literate stonemason.
Have you met many stonemasons, my lord?
Stonemason. Stonemason.
Have you met many stonemasons, my lord?
I've already run through the supplies I brought with me. Some are easily replaced. Egg yolks, turpentine, oil of roses.
Turpentine. Turpentine.
Egg yolks, turpentine, oil of roses. I need silk for stitching. I need fennel root for those with fever, willow bark.
Fennel. Fennel.
I need fennel root for those with fever, willow bark. I need fennel root for those with fever, willow bark. Mostly I need milk of the poppy. You saw what it was like to amputate a foot without any.
Amputate. Amputate.
You saw what it was like to amputate a foot without any.
We could start the search fresh in the morning, my lord.
I'm looking at spending the rest of my life being treated like a fool and a eunuch by my own people.
Eunuch. Eunuch.
Being treated like a fool and a eunuch by my own people. I'll whip every man here until I have both those boys in hand. And once I've got them, the pampered little shits.
Hamper. Hamper.
And once I've got them, the pampered little shits.
I led my people out of the Red Waste and into the slaughterhouse.
Slaughterhouse. Slaughterhouse.
And into the slaughterhouse.
We were only close together for warmth, and then I felt it right up against me backside like a club.
Backside. Backside.
Right up against me backside like a club.
Me as well, just.
What, right here in the muck?
Muck. Muck.
What, right here in the muck?
Huntsman and his hounds. And when he returned, he would present me with some pelts or a stag's head
pelt, pelt,
Me with some pelts or a stag's head. Not that I wanted him there, mind you. I had Grandmeister Pycelle, an army of midwives.
midwife, midwife,
I had Grandmeister Pycelle, an army of midwives. Permit me to share some womanly wisdom with you.
womanly, womanly,
Permit me to share some womanly wisdom with you.
Like being dragged off to prison.
Did you squire for him again?
No.
squire, squire,
Did you squire for him again?
No. I'm not well suited for imprisonment.
imprisonment, imprisonment,
I'm not well suited for imprisonment. Not me, though. My life has left me uniquely unfit for constraint.
unfit, unfit,
My life has left me uniquely unfit for constraint.
And?
Good prisoners breed good jailers, apparently.
jailer, jailer,
Good prisoners breed good jailers, apparently.
I made an arrangement with the King of Carth.
He procured them for me.
procure, procure,
He procured them for me.
Your ambition is an inspiration, but like all upstarts, you overreach.
overreach, overreach,
But like all upstarts, you overreach. And an alliance with a charlatan do not make you a king.
An upstart.
charlatan, charlatan,
An upstart.
Have you forgotten me, sir? I am the widow of your liege lord Eddard Stark.
Liege. Liege.
Eddard Stark.
And where is our king now?
You know very well. He has gone to the crag to accept the surrender.
Aye, gone to the crag, but not to negotiate.
crag, crag,
Aye, gone to the crag, but not to negotiate.
Thank you for fighting on my behalf, Lady Stark. I would have come to your defense, but...
Take him to the stockade.
stockade, stockade,
Take him to the stockade.
Become a real she-wolf in your later years. There's not much fish left in you.
And gag him.
gag, gag,
And gag him.
It's hard to put a leash on a dog.
leash, leash,
It's hard to put a leash on a dog.
What if the king massacres the innocent? It's too much. No matter what you do, you're forsaking one vow or another.
forsake, forsake,
No matter what you do, you're forsaking one vow or another.